The Planet Fitness Glute Drive machine is a piece of equipment that will help you build stronger glutes, also known as your butt muscles. The design of this machine mimics the hip thrusts you'd perform using a Smith machine with a bench. The Glute Drive machine I'll be using in this video is Hammer Strength branded, so there may be a few differences from other brands, but generally it should be similar. The Glute Drive machine consists of support pads for your upper back, as well as a padded seat for when you're getting set up or at rest. There's a belt that goes across your hips with 2 loops depending on how tight you need it to be. This belt keeps you anchored to the machine while allowing free movement of your hips during the thrust. When attached, the belt is connected to the weight plates on both sides of the machine and enables you to lift the weights. Next to the belt on each side are handles that control the locking mechanism of the machine. They move backwards or forwards depending on whether you want to lock the machine. Below, there is a platform for you to place your feet. And in addition to the 2 main pegs that hold the weight plates to use during the exercise, there are additional pegs to store other weight plates not in use. To use the machine, first load the weight plates you want, making sure both sides are equal. Then take a seat and place your feet on the platform. Bring the belt across your lap and use the one of 2 loops that is most secure and comfortable and anchor yourself to the machine. Once you're secure, get ready to unlock the machine by placing your feet shoulder width apart on the platform and hold onto the handles. Thrust your hips up to allow the handle to move back and unlock the machine. Then gently lower your hips down. You can rest your hands on your lap. In the starting position, your knees should be near above your heels with your hips lower than your shoulders. Also, make sure your chin is tucked so your head maintains proper alignment with your spine, and brace your core by contracting your abs. Inhale, then exhale as you push through your heels and lift your hips up towards the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement. Inhale and return to the starting position by lowering your hips in a controlled motion. You don't need to lower yourself completely down to the seat. You can hover above the seat as you rest. For a beginner, you can start with weights that will allow you to perform 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets, and progress by adding more weight and changing the rep count. Once you've completed all of your reps and sets and you're ready to get off of the machine, you'll thrust up one more time, push the handles forward until the weights are secure, remove the belt and stand up. There are other Planet Fitness machines that they've recently added, which you can learn more about in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.